My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I'm a national figure in resolution. I have something called the Tax Mob. It's a big convention we have every year. And I worked at IRS for 10 years. 10 years. And I have worked thousands of cases to this date. I've been in private practice for 42 years, and I've learned some really interesting things about IRS tax audits that you need to know. How AI is going to change the face of IRS audits. Before in the old days, it's still really in the current days, IRS used a DIF score, it's discriminatory index function score. And what they did is they compared your tax return with everyone else's tax return, kind of in your tax bracket and where you live. They're kind of like matching apples and apples, oranges to oranges. Well, AI is going to take this DIF score a whole new level. And I want you to be prepared for this so you understand what IRS is going to do. If IRS is going to audit you, they can if they want. Of course, they'll have your bank statements. They'll have your tax returns. They'll have your investment accounts. They'll have your charge statements and any other financial statement that you have. And all that information will be fed into one IRS system, and out comes a report by IRS for, this is what Elon's doing, really excellent technology. It could be used against you, but it's going to spit out where areas that you're cheating at or potential cheating at. So what they do, if your investment account has gone up or down, if you've taken certain losses, what did you deposit in your bank account? How many charges did you have versus last year? It takes all this data, it puts it in a massive statistical algorithm, and that's going to be the new DIF score. DIF score is, once again, discriminatory index function score, but AI is going to be able to target. So when the agent's looking at that information, they don't have to go over every document, every report. They're actually going to have summaries in their hand of everything that really they're allowed to have or ask for, and they will pinpoint and target exactly where your problem is or where they think the biggest cheats are going in your life. Most people have unreported income. They certainly put expenses down, but what we're going to find is a lot of unreported income moving forward, and they're using this AI culture to go ahead and do this. So remember, any checks that you write, they can go ahead and analyze these checks. Was it proof for an asset, maybe hiding something? If you have these investment accounts, was it going up, down, losses? They're going to know everything on one page. You're going to get a report and tell you exactly where you have potential to cheat. So I'm just letting you know, you got to be careful. If you need audit representation, you call us. We stay ahead of the curve. I'm just letting you know what's coming down the pike, so you better make sure you have a good preparer. If you need us, we're around. We've been doing this a long time. Thank you. Give me a description. I always give you the inside scoop. Thank you.